Good morning, friends. Good morning from Mykonos, Greece. It is a beautiful day, a little bit windy, but still a beautiful day. Did I sleep well yesterday? Not really. I don't know what they drank. I don't know which type of drug they had, but they were screaming so loud at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. And the good news is I was so tired. I was so tired that, yeah, I just fell asleep again. That's why people come to Mykonos to enjoy themselves, have party. But I would love to know what went wrong in their mind yesterday. Oh my God, it's a beautiful day. Look at this view. Seriously, this is the view. Again, I feel like I traveled in time. Yeah, it looks like another era of time. The houses are very historic, very cute, very small. Actually, there are little cars, especially during the day. During the evening, it's a little bit chaotic. I'm gonna show you tonight. But otherwise, no, it's a beautiful, beautiful island. So, the objective of today, we will need to find spots where I can teach. Tomorrow is the teaching day. I plan at least 2 classes, so I need at least one spot during the morning for during the sunrise. That means I need a place with a nice view, but without the sun burning my camera, right? So ideally the sun from the back. The second thing is simply explore Mykonos. This is my first time here. I have few spots that I identified from the internet. I simply googled most Instagrammable places in Mykonos and I found few. It's really nice. So yeah, they have like beautiful windmills. I'm not gonna spoil you what you are going to see. So yeah, that's the objective of today. 2 things: find teaching spots for tomorrow, because tomorrow is a teaching day. I'm planning to teach 2 classes, one in the morning, one in the evening, and simply explore Mykonos, see if it's worth the hype. Alright, so we are officially in the old town of Mykonos, and I'm heading now to see my first spot, which is Mykonos windmills. I think it's like 4 or 5 windmills, and they seem to be like the perfect spot for morning classes, because the sun will be in my back and I'll be facing I'll be facing the ocean, having the windmills in the frame. So yeah, that looks just perfect. And this beautiful street. Not that bad, because I'll have the windmills here. There is the ocean right there, and a little bit of Mykonos. The good news is that the sun is here, so if I'm recording facing this side, the sun will be in my back. Now it's like now it's like 10 a.m. So imagine like the sun will be still like kind of just rising. So the colors will be really beautiful on the mills and on the city. So I like this spot. It's really windy, but that's not because of the spot itself, but the weather for this week, the weather forecast for this week is really windy. I'm not even sure if you can hear me, but yeah, so this, I think it's a nice spot. Put my frame here to get the windmills, a little bit of the ocean, a little bit of Mykonos, maybe even go up here. Yeah, maybe up here, yeah, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is a nice spot. Let's continue. Next one. Alright, a little bit of history about the windmills behind me. So these are located in the village of Kora. They were built in the 16th century by the Venetians. Alright, I just had my breakfast and now I gotta check the next spot, which is Boni Mill. So it's another mill again, and we'll pass by one of the main squares of Mykonos. Alright, first spot identified is this one. There is this Mykonos. This is nice view. And Mr. Ed's steakhouse is just here. But as you can see, the wind is so strong. It's so strong. I don't know even how the camera will see here. So alright friends, we arrived at my first beach in Mykonos. It's called Old Port Beach, and it's not that big, but it looks cute. The water is nice, and yeah, this is these are the vibes of this beach. So I'll go swim now. So after the beach, another drink, and now I'm walking in the streets of Mykonos. I'll probably go do some take a few photos of some spots here in Mykonos, mainly around Little Venice, which is actually so that's like the shore. It's actually the Mediterranean Sea. So I'm gonna take some pictures at the Little Venice, and after that I'll head to my place. It's around 6 p.m. right now, but I want to go back to my place a little bit early because I want to prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the shooting day. Alright, it's time to take the bus. I have absolutely no idea which one is the right bus, but yeah, let's see, we'll ask. Alright, I abandoned and I'm walking now. But she said that the next bus is at 6:30. Now it's 5:45, so I don't want to be waiting for another 45 minutes because the walk to my place is 40 minutes. So let's walk, enjoy the sun, enjoy the wind. It's really windy, and yeah, let's do it. Hello back friends. This has been a long day, but I have a good news. Actually, one good news and one bad one. The first good news is that I found a really interesting spot to teach my class. It has a beautiful view over the Mediterranean Sea. There is this windmill of Mykonos. Actually, there are many, but there is one beautiful big one, and you can see also in the background the 6 windmills of Mykonos. And of course the old town, more precisely the little Venice of Mykonos. So that was a beautiful spot that I believe tomorrow I'll teach my mathematics class with. The other news I have, which is kind of less good, is that it's so windy, and actually the weather forecast says that it's gonna be windy. When I was standing over that hill, I literally thought I'm gonna fly. The wind was so high, so intense, that to be honest, I hardly see how I can tomorrow put my easel with my board and the camera. Even like the camera, I'm going to be concerned about it, so I have absolutely no idea how this is going to be working tomorrow. A strong will can displace mountains, they say. Not only did I manage to stabilize my board, my easel and my tripod for more than 2 hours and publish a beautiful half an hour long mathematics class on YouTube, but I can also say that this was by far one of my most beautiful classes. Teaching mathematics from its birth country, Greece, felt like a dream. If you haven't checked out my mathematics class from Mykonos, click on the left side to watch the video. Enjoy the class, enjoy the view, and Ευχαριστώ.